April 28th, 2026. Let's go over all of the solutions that occurred in the market today. In the momentum on a daily chart for the NASDAQ, we had a continuation of a deceleration. We are losing momentum. The momentum to the upside is finally, we'll say, changing course. So the chances of a more severe pullback are increasing. And I'm expecting by this Friday, so within 72 hours, I'm expecting a retracement to this level here. For sure. Very high probability in my mind. But we'll see. And we're playing to the upside until then, because why? Whenever you see a clear trend occurring, you don't want to fight it, you don't want to doubt it, you don't want to act like you know better. Just look at what's happening and take it for what it is. Here is the SPY on a daily chart, so you can see that momentum. And notice how the volume is falling, okay? Anytime we have falling volume on a rising price, that's a bullish sign, and that means that a big fall, like a retracement down to this level, is unlikely. A retracement down to this level is very unlikely. Falling volume on a rising price means that the market is breathing, it's resetting, it's getting ready for another leg up. That's what that means normally. Go back and back test that on your own time to see what I'm talking about on a daily chart. So in the market today, we had 8 solutions occur. We're going to talk about this first one right here that occurred at 9:32 a.m. At 9:32, we are starting to see both the 5-minute MACDs flip to the downside. This MACD for the 5-minute regular hours has been in the negative territory. That's good, but look, the momentum is not going down. That's not what we need. We need the momentum to be going down. And here, at this time, our momentum on the 5-minute extended is going down, and it's finally crossing over. So that's nice. That's what we need, honestly. That's what we need. That almost gives us permission to take the trade, so long as the 15-minute is in the red. Let's go see. Was the 15-minute in the red at this time? No. The 15-minute at this time was in the green, and it was headed downward. Headed down. Momentum going down. At this time, the 30-minute chart was in the red. So that's good. That means we have the support of the 30-minute momentum. 15-minute momentum is weak support. 5-minute momentum, stronger support. So we have good opportunities here to take trades. So what was the setup? Setup was this right here. We don't want to take trades if the momentum is not going with our direction. Look, going down. We're going down. This 15 is now aligning to the downside. The 5-minute twins are aligning to the downside. That means we don't need the momentum on this 1-minute or 2-minute chart, depending on what you're using. We don't need the momentum to be going up. That's not good. That doesn't make sense. We want it to be aligned so that everything is in alignment. That occurs right here on this candle at 9:34. So the first solution for today was this right here. All right, let's go on to the next solution. Next solution happened at 9:49. Our 5-minute twins are in the red. 15 minutes still going down. 30-minute in the red. Looking for more short opportunities. We wait for the MACD to flip. Up, 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 up. Flip. That's our entry. The second solution for today in the NASDAQ was at 9:49, and it was that right there. Let's go on to the third solution. Third solution happened at 10:05. The 5-minute MACD is now losing power. We're starting to pull back. But our 15-minute is still headed down, so that's good. And our 30-minute is still strong in the red. So we still have, they might not be the best setups, but we still have a valid opportunity. And then what do we see here? Momentum going to the upside, up, 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 stall, 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 drop. That's our entry. Next solution for today was at 10:05, and it was this right here. All right, now we're going to talk about this interesting price action that occurred we had a what do you know today, a very, very powerful what do you know. This is the pre-market low right here, this blue line. Look what the price action did today with this blue line. Look, just watch what the price action does. Look at this. Is that not interesting? Very interesting. Good to pay attention to. The next solution that occurred today was at 10:22. We're still losing power. This 5-minute regular hours has now flipped up into the green. That's a big warning sign. This 5-minute extended is still in the red, giving us some support. And the 15-minute is now flipping into the red, which is a huge, huge strength signal. 30-minute in the red. So we look at this MACD, it's tapering, it's stalling. Look at the stall, look at the price action. Look how obvious this is. Stalling, consolidating. And then we get a nice candle breaking the structure down. Look at this candle breaking the structure down. We get a volume confluence on the right side of the momentum. So the next solution that happened today, April 28th, occurred at 10:22, and the solution was this right here. All right, very good. Going on to the last four for today. We didn't have any more solutions until 12:28 because the 5-minute MACD at this time is now flipping to the green and everything is in the red. 15 minutes in the red, 30 minutes in the red. But the 5 minutes flipped to the green, so that means we're not going to take a trade. That's unaligned. That's not good. That's not intelligent. I'm going to hide the 5-minute regular now because at this point in the day, they've basically caught up and they're in sync. So we can only rely on one. Totally fine. So we wait until the 15 crosses over to the green because the 5 minutes are in the green. And that happens right here. It starts to happen. So after the 15-minute flips to the green, we're watching and we're waiting for the MACD to pull to the upside. Look at the 5-minute going down, 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 down. Yes, you can take trades during this time, but it's not intelligent. You should wait until it's increasing and expanding upward. So that first tick up happens right here at 12:28 on a 2-minute chart. We use a 2-minute chart towards the middle and later parts of the day just because it makes things cleaner. So we get what happens? Look at this momentum. Down, 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 boom, pop up. So both of these setups were perfectly fine. Both of them were perfectly fine. The reason that the official setup that I chose for the solution today was this one is because this one is a little bit too early. The 5-minute hadn't concluded yet. The 5-minute MACD, the momentum, hadn't printed to the upside yet. So this very next candle, which was nice with a volume confluence, that did have the 5-minute concluding. So that means we had the opportunity to enter the trade. So the next solution that occurred today happened at 12:28, and the solution was that right there. Next setup happened here. 5-minute, really strong in the green. Yeah, it's going down. Look, it's ticking down, but it's really strong. Look at how much green we're in. Look at how steep this momentum is. 15-minute, unbroken, perfectly. It's increasing, expanding. 30-minute has now caught up, and now it's in the green. So we have a full, strong alignment going on with the 30-minute and the 15-minute. So that's why, even though the 5-minute was decelerating, losing a little bit of momentum, it's okay as long as we have the permission of these higher time frames. And look what happens here. We're going down, 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 down. We want to go up, right? We're looking to go up. Down, 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 boom, right here. The next solution for today was at 1:14 p.m. and it was this right there. All right, only a few more. Two more. The last two setups were these right here, as you can see. 5-minute, still decelerating, so that's a warning sign. But because we're so healthy in the green, look at all this green we've got here. Because we're so healthy, and because we have a strong 30-minute and a 15-minute in alignment, the 5-minute can show a little bit of weakness. That's okay, and we'll still carry upward. See how that works? So these were the next two setups at 1:40 and 2 p.m. That was the second to last solution. And the very last solution of the day was this one right there. With that much being said, I'll see you in the next one.